In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create torn paper effect in Canva. We'll build a realistic ripped edge by combining a paper frame, a perfectly aligned duplicate of your photo, and a subtle paper texture in the background. You can do this on a blank design or any template size you prefer. Start by opening a template in Canva. On the left sidebar, open Elements and use the search bar to type paper. Look for the Frames category and choose a frame with a rough, torn edge. If you don't see frames right away, scroll the results to find them. Click to insert it onto your page, then drag its corners to resize and place it where you want the tear to appear. Think of this frame as the cutout window where your main image will show through. Next, go to Uploads and bring in the photo you want to feature. Drag the photo onto the paper frame until it snaps inside. Double-click the frame to adjust the crop. Then use the handles to scale and move the image so the subject sits nicely in the torn area. Now add the same photo to the canvas again as a normal image. Lower its transparency temporarily so you can see both versions. Then resize and nudge it until it lines up exactly with the photo inside the frame. When they match, send this transparent copy behind the frame photo and return its transparency to normal. Use the position controls to send it backward and nudge with your arrow keys for precise alignment. Select the image that's inside the frame, open Edit, and change the color treatment. For a bold contrast, choose a black and white filter. Keeping the frame photo black and white while the underlying copy remains in color creates a striking ripped reveal. To enhance the look, go back to Elements and search for torn paper graphics or paper textures. Add one to your page, scale it to cover the entire canvas, and reduce the transparency so it feels like a soft texture rather than a solid block. Use the transparency slider in the top toolbar to keep the texture soft and complementary. Finally, move this paper graphic behind your image layers so it sits in the background and supports the effect without competing with your subject. And that's it. You've created a layered torn paper design with aligned photos, a dramatic filter, and a textured backdrop. Save your design, duplicate the page to try different frames or filters, and experiment with color versus black and white to match your brand. Thanks for watching and have fun designing.